What is good, YouTube? So today is nothing new. Um, as goes for trading, I have my max trade per day at one, cause we are profitable, and I'm not gonna trade like a degen. So just a little bit of myself. So okay, what I've noticed, bro, and it's not bad, but nigga, we've been playing at all time highs for so freaking long. But before we even do that, I want to check Forex Factory. See some. Okay, it's not on here. All right. All right. So basically, it's a no news Monday. Besides whatever this is, but that is after the fact. So we're just gonna watch out. To the left, we're at all time highs. So I'm definitely what I will do for Nasdaq is put my support zone right here. Um, if it does bounce up off of it, then we'll look to take the trade right here. But I might not even uh what's it called? I might not even entertain it, bro. US 30 is looking a little bit better. But what I will say is if we have a week like last week where price with Nasdaq just wants to jump off the rip, then I'll look to enter some stuff after the fact. Um we definitely creating some support right here. Um After this support, we're going. But with this, just so I could see for my own sake, put that in there. Oh, and yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right. For US 30, I'm putting four lots. Or, what am I talking about? Four contracts to risk 750. But for NASDAQ, I only will go in with two. Um, Now we just got to see how to play out. Honestly, I'm expecting both of them to be bullish. What I don't want is to get faked out early. But the reason I'm doing one is just because with 750, I take two trades. That's almost the whole account. You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather just not. So size wise, or not size wise, but like they're both kind of on the same track. Um, what I will do, depending on the volume that we get, is I will hold. Well, I'm not going to be able to. So, never mind. I feel like we'll get a quick spike, but I don't want to rush anything. So, yeah. But I won't hesitate to take this as long as we can have some volume. Please reject. Go back down and then come back up, please. I just hate when it does it like this. Um, just because it's just pre-market and see, okay, that's what I wanted. Now I'll be comfortable taking the position. It's gonna reject, flip, and go. That's what I'm saying. Or that's what I think is gonna happen. But we're not market predictors. We're market reactors. We react to the market. I wish I could stand by the edge of the water long as I can remember. Yeah, it's early. I'm not taking that. Um, it's not like it just push, 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 push. It's push and rejecting. So I don't want to hop in anything way too early. And we'll give it some room. Same thing with Nas. We're gonna stay patient because we don't need a big piece of the pie. Nasdaq don't know what it's doing, gang. And it's not gonna get me. You're not gonna fake me out. So we gonna sit on our hands here. It has group of traders. Me, Nana, Ethan, Jaden.
Order filled. Order filled.
I didn't mean to do that, as you see.
Order filled.
All right, if we don't get this second push, we might get stopped out. Yeah. All right. GG's for the day. GG's. It's cooked, chat. Getting ready to lock out. Let me put my trade on there. But y'all know why I did that though, right? Ah, okay. US 30 wanted to play. We're gonna come retest this and then drop. Just so I want to see us drop after this. Nah. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I just know what it wants to do, so it's annoying. All right. Let's make sure we have my thing because I know once we get stopped out, bro, I'm done. Max trade per day. I can't switch. All right, twin, drop. All right, we get stopped out right here, bro. I want to put it like right here, but that's irresponsible.
Order filled.
And my thing's not working. We're gonna try US 30.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my God, bro.
Order filled. Order rejected.
I'm not gonna lie, this is what I'm talking about, bro. Why did my thing not lock me out? I'm gonna walk away now. And whatever happens, happens. If I lose, then oh well, bro. But what? Like I knew, bro. My gosh. I would like to see us come down and break this. But we'll see. We're just trying to get these accounts passed, bro. That's it. I'll talk about some name Benjamins. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, after this though, I'm going to sleep. Cause this is gonna make me so mad. The only thing is this is a previous area of reversal. So if we can't close below this, then it's like, ee. But if we do, then we'll be fine. But I don't know. Price is rejected off of here quite decent. Look at NASDAQ, bro. How I hate when NASDAQ does the dumb stuff. I shouldn't have worried about if NASDAQ was gonna break up here. I seen this trend line for a reason. Cause look, we go fill here. We stay at 30. And we go for 60. Watch what happens, bro. All right, let's stay below this zone and we'll be fine. Retesting that zone to drop. Good rejection. We need to see some follow through. Let's see if we can push through this last zone.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done here. I don't care if we continue to drop. Let's look at NQ, bro. So we got our dub off of here. All right, so we're coming and retesting. So I've taken 2 trades so far. Besides that stupid one. I won't take a trade unless we're down here though, just because that's off the trend line. And yeah. So here's the thing. I'm gonna check US 30 one more time, but um yeah, US 30 is definitely flowing, but definitely a little bit of Wick City. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. All right, we're about to come retest this zone. This is all right. I'm not gonna look at US 30 because yes, I am. Continuing to drop. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, a little things that were annoying today were, um, I took the loss. The thing didn't like take me out. Um, and what I'm gonna do for tomorrow is I'm gonna write like my calendar. I'm gonna have like following my rules type of calendar. You know what I'm saying? Where I'm just gonna follow them, and like I'll check it off if I follow all my rules. If I did it, oh well. Do 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 do. We just need to see a close below here. That's it. We're at a trend line, and um, it's about to be macro. So, or we might be in it right now. I don't know. I am calm. I'm patient. I'm all of the above. We're definitely respecting this trend line. Nasdaq just don't know what it want to do. Either go up, go break out up here, or go down. What I will say is, um, confluence wise, where's my indicator? Session highs and lows. Um, I would definitely say we have a lot of downward potential. So let's just go boom, boom. I'm finna get rid of the one I just drew up, but we have all this liquidity down here that we might want to come take out. But my first liquidity is where I'll enter. Yeah, we would have hit my profit target by now. We would have been up 1,500. But I was already down, so I didn't want to do anything that was gonna supposedly put me down even more. We also have this resistance zone right here. I would like to see the macro drop because we barely have any movement. We broke out, but barely any movement going on. Actually, I already traded twice today, bro. And all I need is a $1,500 day tomorrow, so I'm just gonna lock it in at that. I will catch y'all on the flip. Life is good, life is great. And I need to fix my thing, because I knew that, like, we would have walked off today with a $500 loss or a $740 loss, but it let me trade. And I'm trying to work on that. I need to get used to the feeling of walking away. So even though I'm technically not walking away after one, I can either trade this and try to get up more or walk away right now and just call it a day. And even though this is going, I'm going to practice what I'm saying. Even though I tried to practice it this morning and it didn't work. But, all right. Peace out. Life's good. Life's great. I will see you later.